Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can craft your rods on Fisch. So we are just going to head on over to the ancient isle section here. Just gonna drop my swan there. It does take a few seconds, so just be patient for me to get there. Almost there. And here we are. Alrighty. Okay. We're just going to use our glider to go there. So we're just gonna jump, jump, jump. Also, you will need 4 people to do this. Oh my god, I have to go the other way, don't I? Yeah. Hold on, guys. I can't jump that high. Okay, I have to jump from there, so I have to go up again. There we go. Then I'm just going to open up my backpack, go to advanced glider, just press on it, and then you're just going to, oh, no. And then you're just going to use it properly. Oh my god, I'm gonna drown, I'm gonna drown, I'm drowning, I'm drowning. I'm actually drowning, why? Sorry, like, this usually works. Oh my gosh, it's been 2 minutes? Dear god, I'm so sorry, hold on. Just give me a sec. I promise we'll get through this together. Okay. Advanced glider. Can I not, like, jump and then do that? Why can't I press it? I'm just gonna move it down here. Okay, let's try that again, shall we? Okay, finally. Okay, you're going to go to this area. And you will need 4 fragments. I think you'll need the solar one, the earth one, I forgot. I already opened it, but here I'll show you the fragments. I think I have all of them if I'm not mistaken. No, I only have 2. So this is the earth fragment you'll need for that one. And then this is the ancient fragment you'll need for this one. I think this one you'll need like the ocean. Did I sell my fragments? Why would I do that? Yeah, okay. And then this one's the solar one. And then you're just going to use your glider to kind of glide along the path here. But this is pretty much where you can... Oh my, no. Please no. Why? Okay, well, you're just going to use your glider and be more precise than me, because I don't know why I'm not being precise right now. And you're just going to walk over here to craft. I'm sorry, I don't know why my glider isn't doing very well today, but anywho, that is it for this video. I'm so sorry it's like a big mess, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I can't get up, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.